Yeah, nearly. Okay, walk in your community. Manakane, you get police there. Our Kati where walk in your purera. The seat and you not the purerane. What then Dogonia in you get police department, Kone, where a press release, press conference, that kind of you get city hall, Bunino, news media and open community in again where Eldorado. Hey, where I'm more pa. They put it more power. Morning. Okay. Done.
There's other videos that other people in the neighborhood captured that they didn't release it because they didn't want the police.
It's okay. It's okay. That will come out eventually. You know, they can cover them behind. Okay, now we'll call a interpreter, no?
Everything that we can release, we will translate and release as practical as possible. We promise that we will do that as publicly and to the whole community that can read it. Today we're here to discuss the officer-involved shooting that occurred last night about 10:18 p.m. on the 900 block of Shaw Street, resulting in the tragic death of a 13-year-old woman. Mayor Michael Gleaning and Chief Mark Williams will address the incident, the investigation, and the next steps that the city will take. Following their address, we will take questions from us. Please understand that the information that we have right now is the best we understand at this very moment and is subject to change and may change as the investigation proceeds. Thank you, everyone, for coming to this press conference. Yesterday evening, something that, can you move that speaker, please, before we begin? Put it back where it was.
You gotta turn the speaker off.
Hey, hear the pitch down.
Turn that shit off. We didn't hear. Guys.
Turn it up, please.
Sorry. I moved that so everyone could hear. Thank you. What happened yesterday evening in our community is an event that has become all too familiar and routine over and over and over again. We called this press conference not just to explain and be completely transparent, but to offer our condolences to the family, the community, and all that are involved. Now, yesterday evening, while a stop like that is routine, it became tragic in mere moments. We understand that from the city's standpoint, and through this press conference, the reason we are here is to be completely transparent, explain every single thing about the incident as we know it right now to the community, explain the process moving forward, and how the state and coordinating partners will be investigating this outside the scope of our own internal investigation, and again, to make sure the community can understand how to be part of this process as every single piece unfolds. Again, I cannot express in words at this point, cannot change what is now forever changed as of yesterday evening. Our condolences to the families, the community, and all of Utica and the surrounding areas for what is going on during this event. At this time, I'd like to invite Chief Williams up to explain exactly how we will proceed and how we will integrate the community into this process. Thank you.
Good morning. The following are the facts as we currently know them, because this is an ongoing building investigation into the facts of the case. It could change with more additional information coming forward once we know that.
It's in Mike.
And look the victim's family in the face while you do it. Right.
On June 28th, In 2024, at approximately 10:18 p.m., the Utica police officers assigned to the Crime Prevention Unit conducted a stop of two males on the 900 block
racist
of
group.
Shaw Street regarding a police investigation. During the stop, one of the individuals fled from the police on foot. While fleeing, the youth displayed what appeared to be a handgun.
Oh no! Wait, let them talk. Let him finish. Let him finish. It's okay.
Please allow me to finish.
What a character. That line is old.
And,
Please, out of respect for the family. Not the time right now, guys. Come on. Guys, let them talk.
Excuse me.
Let them finish.
At this time, we would like to keep every single person in this room that would like to hear what we have in this investigation at this point. We are holding this press conference so you can all be in this room. We are looking every single one of you in the face right now, and we understand the weight of the situation, and we want to ensure that every single piece of this is understood, and everything will be released, and everyone in this room and the entire community will have access to all of that information. Without allowing Chief Williams to explain that to the public, we cannot begin that process. So I'd appreciate if we could just take pause for a moment and listen to what Chief Williams has to say. Thank you.
Also, keep in mind that the victim's family is here, so when you guys are disrupting, you guys are also harming them. So out of respect for the victim's family, can we please just hold our thoughts and our pleas just for the respect of the victim's family?
Thank you.
Again, I'd like to start over, just going over the facts as you currently know them. And again, the facts could change. So, on June 28th at approximately 10:18 p.m., the Utica police officers assigned to the Community Prevention Unit conducted a stop to two males in the 900 block of Shaw Street regarding a police investigation. During the stop, one of the individuals fled from the officers on foot. While fleeing, the youth displayed what appeared to be a handgun, and a Utica police officer ultimately discharged his firearm once, striking the male during a ground struggle. The victim is described as a 13-year-old Asian male who was given immediate first aid on the scene by the police officers and later transported to Wynn Hospital, where unfortunately he succumbed to his wounds. On the scene, the officers did recover a replica Glock 17 handgun with a detachable magazine. This replica handgun was ultimately found to be a pellet gun.
Guys, come on.
We will be releasing the names of the officers involved and this party in the very near future. We again ask for the patience and community while this investigation is continuing. As always, we are committed to transparency and earning the trust of the community during our investigations. We will release as much information as allowable during this process. There's a two-phase investigation that goes on with any officer involved shooting. The first phase is what we call the New York State Attorney General's Office. They have a special investigations unit that's assigned to investigate any death that is caused by a police officer in the line of duty. Their focus is mainly the criminal investigation. We will fully cooperate with the Attorney General's office, and they will ultimately make the decision whether or not the shooting of the individual was justified or not. There's a second concurrent investigation that goes on with any officer involved shooting, and that is an administrative investigation that we do through our professional standards unit. That goal of that investigation by us is determine whether or not the officers followed policy, practices, procedures, and followed their training.
Nope. Nope.
As with any officer-involved shooting, it is per our policy, we place the officers involved in this matter
In prison.
leave with pay until further notice.
Without pay. How about
Without pay.
Guys,
Please. In the near future, to ensure public trust and transparency, the Utica Police Department will release a full body-worn camera footage of the involved police officers unedited. Additionally, the department will be releasing a critical incident video, which provide additional facts and overview of the incident. We are aware of an incident, of a video that is currently circulating on social media. And we will also be, again, releasing our body-worn camera footage in its entirety to the public as well. We ask for your patience while investigating this investigation, and while we do it jointly with the Attorney General's office. And we work closely with our city's Public Safety Advisory Committee. We value their mission, and we want to ensure that they're fully informed of the facts of the incident.
You all look the same.
I want to offer my heartfelt condolences to the family of the deceased party during this difficult time. I just want to close by saying this is a tragic and traumatic incident for all involved. Thank you.
And y'all highly trained, y'all should not have killed that little boy.
without pay? Taxpayers' money.
I don't think punching the kid is part of the training.
Is punching the kid on the ground is a part of the training?
Can you take questions?
Hi, Cassandra.
Taking questions?
Hi, I'm
Can I ask
Daniel.
a question?
Yeah.
At this time, we'll be taking questions from the press. We will be meeting with the family and the community privately and separately so that we can provide you with all the information that we have and that you can ask questions. We don't feel that this is the best forum with this many people. We will set up a time that is most convenient for everyone to try to answer any questions you possibly have. At this point, the press, could you please direct your question to whatever party you wish to ask? Will remain a couple questions apiece, and then we'll close this particular event.
What's that question?
are you able to walk through what happened leading up to what people are talking about on camera?
Can you speak up?
You don't have a mic.
We do have the interpreter here. He is going to step behind the cameras so he can broadcast the interpretation to the crowd. Could you please rephrase that question once he's in place so that everyone can fully understand what is being asked and what is being answered? Thank you.
Temedo.
Awatera la awati weda la camera puno awa palu weda potal chitani pota orga mono awati ba weda pam nu fole mono la palu weda potal chitani pura.
So the events that led up to this additional step, the two individuals, there was an ongoing police investigation, and they were stopped during the event.
What was the investigation about?
Lori ne awati weda awalu weda potal chitani ane kabula potal chitani ane o weda la taka ma orga kamono akwani awati lu weda potal ane.
At this time, as far as that information is concerned, we will make it public. I just want to make sure that confirm the actions of the officers were correct. I don't want to put out any information that may be incorrect. So we will address that in the future.
can't hear you.
Gloria, adu weda podara na kabula dia ratinya mimi ataga ma wa tuwa mo awe ratinya weda mi chala paliga ne awe chala mi ba ka ma awe weda podara kabula paliga ne ratinya weda
You said there was a ground struggle.
Okay,
I don't know who was shot. Other than that, it was a chest wound.
The chest
You could have shot the leg, the arm.
Why did you use the taser?
Guys, come on.
I'm done, I'm dead.
The parents need to understand and hear this.
Punch to the kid.
He was already on the ground.
Y'all have taser guns. What's up
awe
with
tiba
that?
weda mo awe tiba weda le chala pan palika ne pele mo Gloria ne awe disisa ke la ba khala kana ba mo
Yeah, speak up. Speak up. We want to hear it.
awe tiba weda le di do ta to ne te ba khala mi le mo di do le chala ta khala mi ta pele ta mo adu ya ratinya weda ta to ne ke ba khala mi le mo
So, Joey, to answer your question, as you know, with police work, our officers quite frequently work in situations that are very chaotic, overwhelming, and they have to make split-second decisions. Having said that, yes, we need deadly physical force with deadly physical force, including if there appears to be a handgun, whether it's rupture or not.
That was my next question. Was the law extinguished?
Excuse me. For everyone in the room, I understand that this is a situation. That we're not used to with an interpreter. What we need to do for the families and the communities who are directly part of this is make sure that each question that is asked can be interpreted, and then the answer can be interpreted. So, with all due respect, we need to keep in mind that.
For the most people who are speaking, you guys understand English. A lot of people here are from Burma. We speak Quran. They do not understand the question, so we need the translator. We can't hear English either. Okay, hear them. So hear the question.
They need to speak up in that microphone.
That's that microphone. We want to hear that question. Hey, one more talking over there.
Pass the microphone to whoever's asking the question.
There you go. No, pala awan chia ne pota chita ni na wami chakune adu dia ta pota to ulo mala adu kaba atos adu chata ma.
The mom wants to know why you killed her son.
If I could just say one thing, I know there's a lot of emotions in this room, and a lot of upset people.
Yeah, you brought this.
Look the mom in the eye when you say that. Look the mom in the eye. We did not run from the persecution from the Burmese army to be persecuted here in America. We did not. Did not. Our people have been shot and killed by the Burmese military. We should not be here. Experience the same thing.
Excuse me. I'm going to have the interpreter
Ridiculous.
interpret the statement that I'm going to make. Directly after this press conference, we're asking the family to come with us, with the interpreter, so that the family members affected can ask direct questions and representatives from the community can actually ask questions and we can answer them directly. This needs to be done so that we can be as transparent as possible, and we will speak directly with the family after this press conference is over.
Translate. You guys. Translate. She's not comfortable. She said she doesn't want to be in the room with killers.
Give him the microphone.
Translate what the mom said. Translate what the mom said. She doesn't feel comfortable being with killers. She's not comfortable. She's not comfortable. We don't trust you guys anymore. How are you going to serve the public that doesn't trust you?
Why do you guys have to lie when I put in the hospital?
I would like to meet with the family after this.
They don't want to.
No. Why you gotta let me know?
You want to hear the mother?
Yes, I'm aware. So, can you tell her that?
Okay.
Let us go over there. I'm not. Yeah.
Now's not the time for you to strategy. What are they going to talk about? We're still going to keep the police keep saying that the video. Why are you lying?
Joey.
I understand what the video online looks like.
The New York State Attorney General.
Right now can change the fact
Straight bullshit. We want justice. We want murder charges. We want murder charges. We want murder charges. We want murder charges. They held that boy down shot. We want murder charges. Nobody likes it. We want murder charges. Murder charges.
Another video.
They're trying to make up some bull. You see this video? I have the video. We want murder charges. I want murder charges. I want murder charges. No. I'm not trying to hear that. I'm not trying to hear it. Say it different. Why is that?
Listen, you're only seeing that I will realize that only shows
Nobody was in danger. He was not pointing the gun. Bull. My son 13. I couldn't even sleep that crack. It only slept all
All right.
We want murder charges. We want murder charges. Murder. Murder. We want murder charges. First degree murder. First degree. He held that boy down and shot him. He held him in his fucking shot. He held him in his
Okay, guys.
We want murder. Attorney General, Mr. Mayor, Mr. Politics, all y'all. UPD, we want murder charges. We want murder charges. We want justice. Justice. No way. No way. No way. Murder charges.
What's that?
Who are you with now?
I'm with that.
So, yeah, I didn't know if you were the media.
No, I'm not the media.
Okay.
I'm just like using a Utica Coin for me Facebook live group. Yeah.
Oh, this is Facebook Live.
Yeah.
We want murder, Mr. Mayor. We want murder charges.
So.
We want murder charges. We want murder charges.
So the press is over? I mean, you guys... Okay, hold on. What are we reading? So about Gail called down.
Come upstairs? Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, please, we thought you got that. I went there. They were relieved. I went there. I went there. They said that the contract to relieve. I went there. The top them came fucking here.
What are they? Can you do press conference with Willie? So.
Can you press conference Willie? Don't do nothing crazy in this. You understand? Now the correct community leaders working in me, we're going to discuss our options, whether it's getting lawyers, whether it's whatever. We're going to sit down with them and we're going to discuss. So right now,
can you guys let us explain in correct language, man? Yo, guys, listen up, everybody.
Stop coming here and being disrespectful to the parents. I know emotions are high. I know we're hurt.
Còn cái dấu vấn đề ba, hết thoát là kết thoát đặc hơn này.